My name is Matteo. I am 24 years old. I am from Italy. I'm a photographer. I am in a big park today. The sun is very bright. The sky is blue and clear. I have a new camera. I see a girl on a bench. She is very beautiful. She has a book in her hands. Her hair is brown and wavy. I want to take a photo. The flowers are red and yellow. I walk to the bench slowly. I feel a little bit nervous. I stop near the green grass. The park is very quiet. I look at her friendly face. I decide to say hello. I'm a traveler in this city. I want to meet new people. Everything is very interesting here. The trees are tall and green. I like this sunny garden. My camera is ready for photos. I am happy to be here. I breathe the fresh air. I look at the girl again. I start to speak to her. My English is not very fast. I hope she understands me. I have a warm smile too. My heart beats a bit fast. It is a lovely afternoon. The birds sing in the trees. I am a student of life. I love to explore the world. This is my first big trip. I am ready for the story. Hello, my name is Matteo. The girl looks up at me. She has very big brown eyes. She gives me a warm smile. Her name is Sophie. She is 20 years old. Sophie is from England. She is an English teacher. I'm very happy to meet her. She speaks English very clearly. I tell her about my country. Italy is very far from here. Italy is famous for its art. Sophie likes art and history. She is very polite and kind. I sit on the bench too. We talk about our families. I have a sister in Rome. Sophie has a brother in London. We like the same colors. Blue is my favorite color. Her dress is light blue. I show her my black camera. It is a gift from my father. Sophie thinks it is very cool. She asks about my hometown. My town is near the sea. The water is warm and blue. Sophie wants to go to Italy. I want to stay in England. We share many small stories. She is a very good listener. I learn many new English words. She helps me with my grammar. I'm not nervous anymore. We are friends now. The sun is warm on my face. Sophie is a great teacher. She is very patient with me. It is a perfect meeting. I show Sophie my photos. She looks at the small screen. I have photos of the forest. I have photos of the lake. Sophie likes the photo of a cat. The cat is small and white. I took that photo in London. Sophie laughs at the funny cat. She says I am a good artist. I feel very proud and happy. Photography is my passion. I want to see more places. Sophie shows me her book. It is a book about old tales. She reads a short story to me. The story is about a king. I understand every word she says. Her voice is very soft and nice. We talk about different books. Reading is very important for her. I prefer to look at pictures, but I like her stories too. The time goes by very fast. We are very comfortable together. I take a photo of the bench. I take a photo of the trees. Sophie is in my new photo. She looks very happy today. I want to remember this day. The park is full of light. We talk about our favorite food. I love pizza and pasta. Sophie likes tea and biscuits. We want to eat something. There is a small cafe nearby. It is a very cute place. The cafe has white tables. We walk to the cafe together. My camera is in my bag. I'm a lucky man today. We're at the small cafe. Sophie orders a cup of tea. I order a small black coffee. The coffee is very hot. The tea smells like lemons. We sit near the window. I can see the park from here. Sophie has a small map. She shows me the city center. The museum is near the park. The library is very big too. I want to visit the museum. Sophie says it is very famous. I like old statues and paintings. She tells me about her school. Her students are very young. They are 6 or 7 years old. They like to play and sing. Sophie is a very kind teacher. I think her students love her. I tell her about my school too. I studied art for 4 years. I love to draw with pencils. Sophie wants to see my drawings. I have a sketch in my diary. It is a drawing of a bridge. She thinks it is very beautiful. We talk about our future plans. I want to travel to Japan. Sophie wants to live in Spain. The world is very big and wide. We have many big dreams. My coffee is finished now. The cake is very sweet. Sophie is very happy to talk. I am happy to listen to her. We are from different countries, but we are very similar too. It is a very good afternoon. I like this English girl.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.
We walk back to the garden. The sun is lower in the sky. The colors are orange and red. It is the golden hour for me. I take many beautiful photos. Sophie stands near a big oak. The tree is very old and tall. She looks like a princess today. This is like a Disney movie. I tell her she's very pretty. She blushes a little bit. She says, "Thank you, Mateo." I feel very warm inside. We walk along the small river. The water is very calm. I see a small wooden bridge. We stand on the bridge together. I look at the fish in the water. Sophie points at a white swan. The swan is very elegant. Everything is so peaceful here. I'm glad I'm not alone. Having a friend is very nice. We talk about our favorite music. I like rock and pop music. Sophie likes classical music. We have different tastes in music, but we like the same movies. We both love animated stories. Stories with magic and heroes. The evening air is a bit cold. I put on my green jacket. Sophie has a light scarf. We walk to the park gate. The day is almost over. I'm sad to say goodbye, but I'm happy we met. This is a great memory. My camera is full of photos. My heart is full of joy. We are at the park gate. The city lights are on now. I have Sophie's phone number. I want to see her again. She wants to see me too. We can visit the museum together. I will bring my camera again. She will bring a new book. Goodbye, Sophie, I say softly. Goodbye, Mateo. See you soon. She waves her hand at me. I wave my hand at her. She walks to the bus stop. I walk to my small hotel. I'm very tired but happy. I look at the stars in the sky. The moon is big and white. I think about my new friend. Sophie is a very special girl. England is a very nice place. I like my life as a traveler. Every day is a new adventure. I am ready for tomorrow. I will call her on Monday. We can have tea again. I want to learn more English. She can learn some Italian words. Ciao, Sophie, I think. I'm at my hotel door. I open the door with a key. My room is small and warm. I put my camera on the table. I look at our first photo. We both look very happy. I am grateful for this day. I go to sleep with a smile. My dreams are about the park. My dreams are about my friend. Life is very beautiful today. This is my simple story.